Welcome to Chefercise with Joe Babel, cooking your way into shape, where you can go from looking like this to this. But seriously, it is not all about losing weight. You gotta learn how to live a healthy lifestyle. So let's get started. Hey friends, welcome back to Chefercise with Joe Babel. Today, we're gonna be learning all about whole hemp seeds, okay? Promise me, in fact, Pinky promised me that you'll go out and buy this right away after the video ends. You can actually check out a link on Amazon in the description below, okay? Top 3 reasons why you should be getting whole hemp seeds. Reason number 1, it is full of protein. You're getting 10 grams of protein and just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, okay? What this means is that you're actually getting a complete protein. That's what's so amazing about hemp seeds. You're getting all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to function. Reason number 2, it is rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. In 3 tablespoons, you're getting 12 grams, which is far more than any amount you could be getting in a fish oil pill. Typically, fish oil pills are giving you 1, maybe 2 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, but then you have to worry about that nasty aftertaste, that burp that you get after taking a fish oil pill. So with this, you're gonna love it. It's vegan, vegetarian, plant-based omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid for your body. And reason number 3, it is full of manganese. If you look at the label with me, it provides 100% of your daily value. Manganese is associated with Superoxide Dismutase, and that's an antioxidant that fights free radicals in your body. Free radicals, that's what causes oxidative stress in your body. That is a no good thing for your body. That's gonna cause it to deteriorate way faster than it should, okay? Unless you wanna be hitting the grave way sooner in life, you gotta make sure that you're getting your whole hemp seeds, all right? And because I like you guys, I'm actually gonna give you a 4th reason why you should go out and buy whole hemp seeds. That reason is that it helps regulate blood sugar in your body, okay? So just a little summary, it's full of protein, that complete protein that your body needs. It's full of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are great for regulating cholesterol and preventing any heart disease in your body. And number 3, it has that superoxide dismutase ability to help fight free radicals. And number 4, it helps regulate blood sugar in your body. Now, please go out, buy it. If you'd like, you can even check out my link to Amazon in the description below. You'll notice that it takes you to my favorite brand of hemp seeds, which is the Mighty Seed Hemp Co. On Amazon. Not only does it have some of the best rated reviews, it also is gluten-free and non-GMO, and I know that you're gonna love it. And it's super reasonably priced as well, all right? So please go out and buy it. And just so you know, I'm not getting sponsored by this company. I just found that this is a really awesome product and brand for me. So I hope it does the same for you. And also, of course, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.